G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today I'm unboxing something pretty damn awesome. It's the Gigabyte Aorus Master Edition of the Geforce RTX 5080 graphics card. It's a latest gen graphics card. I'm really excited to see how this goes. Let's see what's inside the box. Now, if you've been keeping an eye on the channel, you may have seen quite a bit of PC hardware go up recently. That's because I'm doing a bigger piece on building the ultimate creator PC for 2025. So bringing all the componentry, reviewing the componentry, doing the build, reviewing the build, and trying to see if I can get the ultimate machine together for that kind of high-end content creation, creative products that you might be using, which for me includes multitasking with multiple Adobe products while rendering huge 4K files. So to do that, I needed a new GPU. I want to get that PCI-E Gen 5 experience with this 5080 graphics card. Now the Master Edition, the Gigabyte Aorus Master Edition, comes with a couple of extra features that caught my eye. Now it's an overclocking friendly GPU. In fact, I think it's got factory overclocking already built into it. So that's going to be, really good for gamers as well. But it's got a couple of cool features that I think will also be really important for the work that I'm doing and for a creative PC. That includes, as you can see here, the Geforce cooling system that they've got, these better fans for cooling the actual GPU. Plus it comes with an additional fan, can you see that over here? An additional fan as well for added cooling. This thing's going to be under some serious load. Some of the videos that I do, hour-plus long 4K videos, and pulling from many 4K sources as well, can really heat things up. So that's going to hopefully keep things in control. It's also got this LCD screen experience on the actual card itself, and a whole lot of other really cool bits and pieces going on, including AI enhanced experiences, which is becoming more and more important, especially for content creators, because a lot of the software we're using also has AI features. You need that AI acceleration to be on both ends, really, if you want to be getting the best possible experience. So that's how I've ended up here. Let's see what's inside the box. It's quite a step up for me too. I was on a 2080 before this, which is a good card, but has had its best days and is a frequent bottleneck for me. Okay, well that's the sleeve off the top. That's that gone. Let's have a look. Oh, got it upside down. Nice subtle little branding there on the box. It's interesting that Aorus is the branding that is most prominent rather than Gigabyte. Something to note, but this is a Gigabyte card. Okay, so we have here a little bit of paraphernalia. Is that the right word? I don't know if it is. Warranty, it's a 4-year warranty on this as well, which is another step up. I think that could be a step up with the Master Edition. Looks like a couple of stickers. Bit of information about that fan placement, so if you want to get that fan on top. Warranty commitment in gold, so that's how you know it's good. And then we've got quick guide, it's handy. It's handy to have something that's actually in paper, I'm all for the environment, I really am, but I don't like dealing with apps when you're just trying to do instructions on how to build things. And some pretty basic kind of step-by-step installation guide here, all done in visual form, which is now the norm nowadays. So it's good. It's a good little collection of bits and pieces there. All right, what's inside? So foam, which is never ideal nowadays. Okay, so we've got quite a little bit going on here. So here's that extra fan. Actually, let's just see if I can take this whole thing out. Yeah, there's the card underneath. So, oh jeez, it's huge. The size of it. Power. All right, now what do we got here? Okay, so a couple of, that's metal. One of the things with the Master Edition as well, it's got a reinforced back plate on it as well. So it should be this should be a stronger, and eventually the backplate might play into heatsink style things as well. Okay, so we've got a power cabling, which we'd hope to get. Little badge, the Aorus badge. It's a cool logo, isn't it? I like the logo. It's really nice. And what else got in here? Little screws and everything to screw that. Well, I guess to screw the plate in the back. And yeah, so I'll have to look up and see exactly what all these things do. But it's all solid, really. Nothing. It's not plastic. That's solid metal. So that's good. That one's plastic. Anyway, we'll get the lowdown on exactly what all those things are going to do as we go through the process of installing it and reviewing it. And then here's that additional fan. Oh, that's what the screws will be for. It'll all be for the installation of this. Oh, so it's got like a rubber, I wonder if that's a protective seal where that rubber is expected to stay on, because it's very loose. And I wonder if that plugs into the GPU or whether it needs to go down to a socket in the actual motherboard. We'll find out, like I said, once we're going through it in a bit more detail. But there's the additional fan you can see there. I'll just put it back in here for now. Get some space for everything. All right, and now for the card. Wow. So I have seen these in shows. I was at Computex a few months ago and I had a lot of these bad boys lined up. Wow, it's huge. So let's see how we open this correctly without damaging it. I might put it on the foam actually. Okay, let's have a look inside. Qualified Gigabyte. Oh, so yeah, so it's just Gigabyte stamp tape there, just saying we have approved this for our brand. And there it is. Wowzers. There's a whole bunch of RGB lighting on this as well, I believe. So that's that reinforced back. You can see my fingers on it there. Oh, what a beast. Yes. Oh, wow. So anyway, that's going into my about to be built ultimate creator PC. I cannot wait to see how much better this makes my life with the videos and all my kind of multitasking and everything, all my GPU load stuff. Obviously it's going to kick ass for games as well, but realistically I'm building this because I need a creator PC that can handle what I'm doing. And as you can see a little bit around that, like so. The vents up top, sorry it's really awkward to hold in a spot that I feel like I'm not doing any damage. Windforce fans, all right. Okay, well there we go guys. That is an unboxing of a Gigabyte Aorus Master Edition of the NVIDIA RTX 5080. Wow. Really looking forward to seeing how this goes. All right, I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to keep an eye on the channel. Like I said, lots of stuff going up around this build. And ultimately, we're gonna see how it all runs. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check you next time. You.